Number 3, listen to our teacher attentively. Okay, listen to your teacher attentively. Kapag nagdi-discuss si teacher sa harap, dapat makinig. At walang maingat. Okay, very good. Last meeting, we discussed about integumentary system. So anyone from the class can give me the meaning of integumentary system? Yes?
Integumentary system acts the barrier of our body from the harmful organism.
Okay, very good. Integumentary system. That is the system that acts as the barrier of our body from the harmful organisms. Okay, talagang nakinig kayo kahapon. There are prepared envelopes under your chairs. Kindly get them. Now the instruction is you will arrange those within 2 minutes. Open na.
Step ko yung pinaka-channel.
Okay, you will open that and you will arrange those.
Yeah, yes. This is easy for me.
Huwag maingay. Wait lang.
This is easy for me because I want to sorry.
Huwag maingay.
I'm sorry po, ma'am. I don't know at ito ang sagot. Okay.
Marami na 2 minutes na.
Hi, you.
Oy, tsaka ko sa'yo.
Manang kayo nag-uwan. Bakit kasi?
Haman, hoy, wag mo buluhin. Concentrate on your work. Huwag maingay.
Manang kayo
Dapat wag maingay.
Body shape.
Nakarami yung tsara ko yung sigla.
Ma'am, tapos na ako.
Wait lang, wait.
Ma'am, tapos na ako.
Wait lang.
So, ano?
Wait, wag niyong buluhin ang
Step.
work ng classmate ninyo. Wait lang, wait.
Step. Ma'am.
Wait
Bilisan
lang
mo.
po.
Gusto ko yamin. Ma'am. Atang ko ni ko.
Wonder pass. Wait lang, sige, hawakan niyo muna.
Ma'am, paning isa. Thank you.
Ayun, maingay.
Okay, tapos na ako. Ito na. Okay, tapos na ako.
Na?
Ma'am, tapos na ako. Malalayo eh, katulong siya. Uy. Ma'am, pati sa mash.
Huwag kayong maingay.
Mama. Ma'am, pati naman si Maisa. Isa po mo.
Ito.
Ay, ito. Dapat gabi. Kasama.
Last month. At sila ni Papa. Doktor.
Ay,
May nipokpok yung doktor.
no, ma'am. Ate, no. May nervous.
Now, pagkatapos, itigil niyo yung mga ginawa niyo sa harapan. Isa-isa lang. Ikaw muna. Get especially. Okay, next. Bongkin.
Bismillah.
arranged earlier. And you will come in front and put this beside them. Who will come in front? Okay, yes. Okay, next. Where is the stomach? Next. Okay, the next. Where is the mouth? Okay, hallelujah. Okay, very good. Walang maingay. Anong sabi ko sa rules natin? Walang maingay. Okay, tignan natin during the discussion kung correct ang mga sagot ninyo. So, our topic for today is all about digestive system. To our lesson, let me read first our objectives. So at the end of the lesson, the students or the pupils should be able to identify the parts that work together to form the digestive system. Letter B, explain how the parts of the digestive system work together. Letter C, appreciate the importance of a healthy digestive system for overall well-being. So, if I eat this bread, saan ito unang pumupunta? Sa mouth! Okay. So, alam mo ba na ang mouth ay ang first process ng digestive system? So, kapag kumakain tayo ng food, sa mouth natin ito nilalagay. So, this where the first step of digestive takes place. So, this process is called ingestion. So, ang ingestion ay ang pagkain natin ng food. So, next is, okay, pag kinain ko ito, saan ito pupunta? Okay, very good. Sa esophagus. So, ano ibig sabihin ng esophagus? Can anyone read this? From our mouth to our stomach. So dito dumadaan ang pagkain papunta sa ating stomach. So, saan pupunta yung kinakain nyo? Sa esophagus. So, yung parang hose na daanan ng pagkain natin papunta sa ating stomach. So, the next is the stomach. So, the stomach, this is where the second stage or step in the digestive process takes place. And this is called the digestion. So, ang meaning ng digestion ay ito yung pagtunaw ng pagkain natin sa ating stomach. So, yung mga kinakain yung bread na yun ay natutunaw sa ating stomach through digestion. So, pagkatapos ng digestion, pupunta yung pagkain natin sa saan? Sa small intestine. So, sa small intestine, pakibasa. Sangat, please. Bambit.
Is along tube where most of the this and absorption of nutrients from the food we eat. Small intestine does this breaking it down into the food and other stuff your body needs. So, in the small intestine, some accessory organs help in the digestion process. These are the liver, the bladder, and the kidneys.
Okay, very good. Thank you. So, dito sa small intestine, yung kinakain nyo ay ino-observe niya yung mga nutrients na pumapasok sa stomach nyo. So, pagkatapos na mo-observe, pupunta siya sa saan? Sa large intestine. Dito sa small intestine, dito, ino-observe na yung mga nutrients o yung mga iniinom ninyo na drinks o yung mga kinakain nyo na pagkain. Pagkatapos niyang ma-observe, yung mga natitirang parte ay pupunta siya sa saan? Sa large intestine. So, dito na yung so, dito sa large intestine, so this is more absorption takes place, but this time, only water is absorbed. So, dito sa large intestine, so, absorption takes place, but this time, only water is reabsorbed. At pagkatapos nito, saan pupunta? Yung pagkain natin pagkatapos ng process ng large intestine ay elimination. Ito na yung tinatawag natin pagkain. So, tinatawag natin yung mga pagkain na pinakain natin. Okay, I have here diagram that you will answer. You will answer this. Diagram, and you will name this. Kung ano yung napag-aralan natin kanina. So, who wants to go first? Yes, Bonggi. Okay, very good. Let's go next. Okay, next. you may have inaccuracies or limited understanding of the differences, I will give you 15 points. The last is the beginning. Learners struggle, identify answers, and show little understanding from the lesson. I will give you 10 points. So this is your group activity. Sa group 1, identify each parts of the digestive system. So sulat nyo siya sa papel. Sa group 2, draw me. Mag-drawing kayo. Group 2. Choose and draw one part of the digestive system and write 2 to 3 sentences where you can choose that part. So, sa group 2, pipili kayo ng isang digestive system. Dito. Tapos, magsulat kayo ng 2 to 3 sentences kung bakit ito yung napili nyo. Naintindihan ba?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Okay, kung talagang naintindihan nyo yung lesson natin, sana na natin ng sumusubay ng pagkain.
Ma'am!
Pero ano yung function ng mouth? Ano yung function ng mouth? For chewing. Ito yung pamuya ng pagkain. Pagkatapos ng mouth, second is ano? Ano ito?
Esophagus.
Okay, esophagus. Iba naman, pagkatapos ng esophagus, next is
Small intestine.
pagkatapos, the next,
Small intestine.
pagkatapos ng small intestine,
Large
the
intestine.
large intestine.
What about moving?
Next is, ano na? Yung next,
Stomach. Anus.
Okay, anus. So, ikaw yung tinatawag natin na elimination o yung pagtae. Talagang naintindihan niyo ang ating lesson for today. So, I have here individual activity. Okay, for individual activity, can you bring out one more sheet of paper and answer this short quiz on the board? So, please write only the red letter of your answer on your answer sheet. So, write only the letter. Tapos na ba? Tapos na? Okay, pass it. Pagkatapos ng last day, class, may assignment kayo na ipapasan nyo next meeting. Please bring out your assignment book and copy of this written on the board. So research about one digestive disorder and write what causes it and how it can be treated.